Scramble Square planets. I'm going to show you the solutions, starting with the top left corner and the first tile. Okay. Next, we have second tile. Last tile for the first row. Second row. Last tile for the second row. And finally the last row. And here it is the solutions for Scramble Square Planet Editions. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. And until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.